Ever wondered what ASTM D1076 is and why it's important? Well, let's dive into it. ASTM D1076 is a standard specification for various categories of natural rubber latex. It's like a rule book that rubber manufacturers follow to ensure they're producing high quality products. This standard specifically outlines 5 categories of latex, each with its own specific requirements and properties. It's not just a list of types, though. The ASTM D1076 standard also details the test methods to use for each of these categories. These tests help determine essential properties like total solids, dry rubber content, protein content, and so much more. And why are these tests so important? They're used for production control, ensuring each batch of rubber meets the standard. They can also serve as a referee in disputes about quality or consistency, so ASTM D1076 is a crucial standard for ensuring the quality and consistency of natural rubber latex. It's the backbone of a rubber manufacturer's quality control, helping to create reliable, high-performing products. Now, what are these categories of ASTM D1076? Let's dive right into it. ASTM D1076 outlines 5 categories of concentrated natural rubber latex. First up, we have Category 1. This includes centrifuged Hevea natural latex stabilized solely with ammonia. Then we move to Category 2, which covers creamed Hevea natural latex, again stabilized with nothing but ammonia. Thirdly, Category 3 refers to centrifuged Hevea natural latex, but this time it's stabilized with a lower concentration of ammonia. Next, Category 4 involves a bit of a mix. It includes centrifuged or centrifuged and creamed guayule latex or other natural rubber latex. The key here is that it contains less than 200 micrograms total protein per gram dry weight of latex with ammonia or other hydroxide. Lastly, Category 5 encapsulates centrifuged Hevea natural latex treated with aluminum hydroxide or other means, stabilized with ammonia only, and containing less than 0.5% of non-rubber content. These categories help manufacturers and users of natural rubber latex understand the properties and quality of their latex. Why is ASTM D1076 so important, you might ask? Well, it's not just a standard. It's a cornerstone of quality and consistency within the realm of natural rubber latex. This specification, with its intricate details and stringent requirements, is a testament to the importance of precision in rubber manufacturing and other related industries. ASTM D1076 outlines 5 distinct categories of latex, each with its own unique properties and preservation methods. It provides a standardized way to measure vital properties of these categories, such as total solids, dry rubber content, protein content, total alkalinity, and viscosity. It also takes into account the sludge content, coagulum content, KOH number, pH, and mechanical stability. Not to mention, it ensures the control of elements like copper and manganese, density, volatile fatty acids, boric acid, and dry films. So remember, ASTM D1076 is not just a number. It's a standard that ensures the quality and consistency of natural rubber latex, making our lives easier and safer.